Wow, friends! Stimulus payments worth up to $500 are going out to low-income workers very soon. Our lawmakers want Congress to sign a bill into law that would provide automatic recurring relief checks to all Americans that meet eligibility requirements this year. This is awesome news, friends. Please make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video to learn about all of the details. Also, share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. And if you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please watch until the end of this video for the keyword.
Well, Mr. President, let me start off with some great news. When we vote later today, all of us will be able to say these 4 wonderful words. Senator Lujan, welcome back. He's not on the floor right now, but Ben Ray, it was great to see you back here in the Capitol last week. It's great to see you today. We've missed you. We're thrilled to have you back on the job. We admire your strength and your courage and your fortitude, your quiet strength. Now, over the weekend, members from both House and Senate met virtually with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, and we re-emphasized Congress's strong and unwavering commitment to providing robust and ample assistance to his country in this time of war. I told the Ukrainian president he was an inspiration to Americans, and I assured him that his pleas for help will not go unanswered.
All right, my friends. So here is a great news for many of you that reside in the state of Massachusetts. Hundreds of thousands of low-income workers in Massachusetts will soon be receiving $500 checks from their state government. The Baker administration has officially unveiled plans for distribution of the cash payments as part of the Crisis Essential Employee Premium Pay Program. The payments, worth up to $250 million, will be mailed to 500,000 people by the end of March. According to the state of Massachusetts, this is the first round of funds being distributed as part of the $460 million program that was enacted last December when Governor Charlie Baker signed a $4 billion spending plan for the American Rescue Plan Act funds. The state is basing payment on filed 2020 Massachusetts tax return. Individuals will be eligible for payments if their income from employment was at least $12,750 and that their total income puts them below the 300% of the federal poverty level. The federal poverty level is set by our federal government and increases with household or family size. The Massachusetts state government has said that they want to ensure this critical support is provided quickly to deserving workers across the state. The Massachusetts government says that people who received unemployment compensation in 2020 will not be eligible for the first round of payments. Also, state executive branch employees who received or will receive a one-time payment from the state as your employer are also not eligible. So friends, if you do not receive your check by the end of this month, friends, the state says if you do not receive your check by the end of this month, the Massachusetts state's government says that they do have more plans to distribute subsequent rounds of funds after this month. Friends, I'm really excited to hear that more U.S. states and cities across our country are sending out their own form of relief to financially struggling residents. Because I know for a fact right now, it is a very difficult time for many people. So it's great to hear that our lawmakers in many states are finally taking action. Several Democrats in the Senate have also urged President Biden to deliver recurring direct payments in a letter. The lawmakers argued that the last federal stimulus check was not enough to support low-income families through this ongoing crisis. But the lawmakers in the Senate did not specify how large or frequent the payments should be. Many economists also agree that more relief should be sent out on a monthly basis. There are over 150 economists that have shown their support for recurring direct stimulus payments in a letter that was sent to the Biden administration. The Economist wrote, "Regular, lasting direct stimulus payments will boost consumer spending, driving the economic recovery and shortening the recession. Friends, I do agree with the economists that stimulus checks should be provided to Americans that are experiencing financial difficulties, all caused by this crisis. Democrats have been pushing for recurring payments since the start of this crisis. Democratic Representative Ilhan Omar has already introduced a bill that would provide monthly payments to an estimated 161 million Americans. Many of our lawmakers have repeatedly called for additional payments and have pushed for universal basic income. If Representative Omar's legislation passes, it would send out payments of at least $1,200 to adults and half the amount to children. Individuals earning over $75,000 a year and joint filers with incomes above $150,000 per year would receive a reduced credit, and payments would be reduced by $5 for every $100 that a person earns above that amount. In a statement, Representative Omar said, "We, as a nation, have the ability to make sure everyone has their basic needs met, like food, housing, and healthcare. The world needs new economic indicators and economic policies that will prioritize and encourage truly sustainable and equitable growth." Well, friends, while it would be the first nationwide guaranteed income program, several areas of the United States have tried the concept, including in Omar's home state of Minnesota. The program has provided families with $500 payments each month for a period of up to 18 months. Several counties in the state of California have also tried basic income, and recently, legislators passed the first wide state program. The state of Alaska also had a universal basic income program in place for many years. So my friends, do you support or not support universal basic income programs? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the key word for this video is Great Lakes. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for everyone who's watching my videos daily. Please do me a big favor, friends, and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.